Imagine a historic Texas hailstorm tears through your commercial property or multifamily complex in Dallas or San Antonio. You look at the shredded roofs, the shattered windows, and the interior water damage. You know it's a seven-figure loss, but you aren't sweating it because you pay tens of thousands of dollars in annual premiums. You have insurance. Then the adjuster hands you a settlement check. That doesn't even cover 30% of your actual repair costs. They point to the fine print and tell you, sorry, you've hit your policy limits. Here is the hard truth. Insurance companies don't print policy limits to protect you. They print them to protect their bottom line. When disaster strikes, carriers weaponize Texas law and complex policy language to delay, deny, or drastically undervalue your claim, hoping you'll just walk away. Today, we're breaking down what the limits on Texas property damage claims actually mean and how we fight back. Question 1. What is the absolute deadline to file a claim in Texas? Under Texas law, the standard statute of limitations for property damage is 2 years from the exact date the insurance company gave you their decision. If a massive storm hits your property and you wait 2 years and 1 day to take legal action, the court will almost certainly dismiss your case. You lose all leverage and the insurance company walks away completely scot-free. In Texas, time is literally money. Question 2. Can my own actions limit how much I get paid? Yes, and insurance companies love to abuse this. If the insurance company can shift the blame and prove that you were responsible for the worsening of the damage, for example, if you failed to put up a tarp after a windstorm and let rain rot the interior, it could be harmful to your case. They use this to actively blame property owners for failing to mitigate damages. Question 3. What happens if the cost of my damage exceeds my policy limit? A policy limit is the absolute maximum amount. The insurer is contractually obligated to pay for a single event. If you have a $500,000 limit, but a catastrophic fire or tornado causes $800,000 in damage, the carrier will cut off negotiations at that $500,000 mark. However, if the insurance company uses bad faith tactics to deliberately delay or underpay your claim, Texas law provides paths to hold them accountable, beyond just the text of the policy. Whether you're dealing with strict Texas Department of Insurance regulations, complex coastal windstorm requirements, or the aftermath of historic hailstorms that routinely batter North and Central Texas, the playbook used by insurance companies remains exactly the same. Delay, deny, undervalue. They will drag out the structural inspection. They will argue that pre-existing wear and tear caused the roof failure, rather than the 70 demonic ones. They count on the fact that you have a business to run or a family to protect, and that eventually you'll get tired of fighting and accept a fraction of what you are actually owed. At StormLex Law Group, our founders, Marco Flores, Manuel Pelaez-Prada, and Jake Rogiers, don't let multi-billion-dollar insurance companies bully Texas and Oklahoma policyholders. Property insurance claims are incredibly complex by design. You should not have to fight corporate legal teams on your own. We review your policy, accurately calculate your true losses, and aggressively hold carriers accountable when they act in bad faith. If your commercial or residential property damage claim has been wrongfully capped, delayed, or underpaid, stop fighting them alone. Head to stormlex.com right now or call us to schedule your comprehensive free claim review.
StormLex Law Group, because you paid for coverage, not excuses.